Hey guys, so the plan for today was to chill a bit, go to Lichfield, chillax, holiday type of a thing. So ask me, why am I at Stoke on Trent at the Emma Bridgewater factory? Also, just before the haters come on here saying, oh my God, but I thought you were saving money. I am saving money, okay? The fuel is in the car. I just came down. I'm going to look around. The factory tour should be really nice, at least based on what I understand. And if I do decide to buy anything, because I know they chop today, I'm going to eat when I go back to my house. It'll be to check out their very discounted pottery, which I understand is on sale. No, it's all right. Hey guys, can you see me? Yeah, you can see me because I can see myself. So it's been an interesting day. The plan was to go to just Lichfield, but then while I was Googling, Emma Bridgewater factory came up. I was like, oh yeah, let me check that out because I haven't. And that's how I ended up in Stoke on Trent. So, you have seen that. You see that when I talk about it in a couple of minutes. Anyway, Stoke on Trent is very pretty. I'm eating ice cream. And I'm currently parked in the car park of a place called Trentham Shopping Village. It's kind of like an outlet place, but that's not like the big deal. The big deal about it is that they have this beautifully gorgeous park that I can't enter without becoming a member of like the park. And I don't live in Stoke, so I'm not going to come here that frequently. But I've captured a few images which I'm going to show to you here. It is gorgeous. When I went to Emma Bridgewater, I didn't book a ticket for the tour because again it was spur of the moment. So I didn't really get to see much of the production process, but I did see the shop because I always see shops everywhere I go, and I bought this cup set, a saucer. So a cup and saucer set. It is very pretty. It's the iconic, is this spots rainbow captain. I'm gonna show it to you as I'm speaking, and I hope I can show it to you. I don't know how my editing thing will allow me to, but we'll see. And then what else did I do? Come to the shopping village place, got an ice cream after 3 p.m. because I was really hungry, basically because I've not eaten all day. Now next to there was a I think it's called Trent's Farmer Shop, and I bought a giant sausage which I'm going to have for my lunch. And then I also bought, I want to say across it but not quite, there's a wine and cheese shop, and I bought this gift set. I'm going to have to take a picture and show you because I can't get out the back. So like a gift set wine made in the UK. It's called Clive's Wines, and I generally only have sweet wines. I don't necessarily dessert wines, just sweeter wines. And this looks interesting. So instead of just buying one bottle that I was unsure of, I bought 3 mini bottles that supposedly are all sweet. And gonna try them. It was worth it. I'm gonna buy it. The video you're seeing with me munching, I'm sorry, not the best view, I know, Paul. It is what it is. This video you're watching is probably going to go up this evening because I can't bother to go and find the videos of all my other recordings and edit them. So if you see my previous recordings in the future, but this video should be going out this evening, and it's just about my brain block that brought me to Stoke on Trent. So gotta go because I want to listen to radio and eat my sausage. And I shall see you on the other side. Bye, guys. So this is the gift set in August, the one I told you about, the Clive's fruit wine. There are 3 of them. There's raspberry, elderflower. I mean, I have to ask my question. Why am I like talking to you like you're children and cherry? You can read it yourself. That's what it is. I already obviously ate the ice cream and the sausage. This is what I got from Emma, what's it called again? Emma Bridgewater. As I mentioned, it's the classic rainbow spot design that she does. And what I got was this called a saucer. It's a rather large, there you go. Rather large teacup. It's actually quite big. Let me give you an example. This is my whole face. It's a rather large cup. Now, for those of you asking, but I thought you were going to spend any money. How much is everything? Okay, this is a gift to myself for reaching a good savings milestone. I got a good savings milestone achieved, so I'm getting myself this, and it was £25 for both the cup, the mug, and the saucer. Okay, and you say, why don't you have cup and saucer? I do have cup and saucer. Actually, I have various mugs as well, but the mugs are generally for guests. This is going to be a personal one just for me. And this 3 mini wine bottles were £10 something, so basically £11. So this is my 20% from my last week's salary. on my side gig. So that's what that one took. Hope that explains it for all the nosy parkers.